Good morning, everybody. Good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. Okay. I hope I am audible to all of you, right? In case if you face any problem, please let me to know. Okay. Only almost out of okay. 70% of you have come. Very good. So we will be discussing today, right? Uh, I hope I am audible to all of you. Am I right? Good. Okay. Today we will see. Just I share the file. Chain surveying. Okay, we have been discussing chain surveying. Already I have told you the important aspects of chain surveying, right? The important topic of surveying we have seen. Today, I will project the Dr. B.C. Punmia page. This way I will take it. Few minutes. Better, I don't know. Just 1 minute. Yeah, where it is? I will make it like this way. Yeah, now it is good, right? So see here. Yeah. Today we are going to see chain surveying. Okay. So actually, I have scanned the entire chapter of this chain surveying, chapter 4 in your Dr. B.C. Punmia textbook. I have scanned everything. Okay. But we are going to see whatever necessary for you. Okay. We are not going. I am not going to tell you each and every point of the textbook. What is required? There only we are going to focus. Okay. What you are supposed to learn, understand. That I am going to focus. Chain surveying. Already, I told you what is chain surveying. It is called a chain triangulation also. The chain surveying is also called a chain triangulation. Why that word triangulation is there? See, by doing chain surveying, what is the purpose of surveying? The object of surveying is to prepare plan or map of the given area. Okay. You want to, some area is given to you. You want to prepare a plan or map of that area. For that purpose, you are carrying out a survey. One such survey is chain survey. Okay, you are carrying out. Right? In chain surveying, what we do, the area to be surveyed or the map or plan of the area to be prepared is to be, how to say, covered with chain lines. Okay. We call it as a network, right? A chain network. Otherwise, a skeleton. Chain network or skeleton, framework, not network. I am supposed to use the word framework. Sorry, I'm using wrong word, network. It's not network, framework. Nothing wrong even if you say network, framework. Okay, so the area to be surveyed should be covered with a framework of chain lines, right? In the chain lines will be consist of connected triangles actually. Okay, we first run a very big traverse line. Traverse means just a polygon, like polygon. Okay, polygon, traverse line. And then we are interconnecting the other points, other stations of that one. Finally, you will be getting a framework consists of connected triangles. Okay, the simplest structural geometrical framework is a triangle. That is why it is called chain triangulation. Okay, the word triangle, triangulation is there. Let us see. We will understand. If you later you go through the textbook and out of your self-interest, because you are beginner, you must have curiosity to learn things, interest to learn things. So please, you go through later, right? So just I will concentrate only on important points. Just to come here, yeah, that's what. This is the area to be surveyed. What we do, we first run a traverse line. See here, survey line AB and BC, CD, like this. This is called a traverse. Okay, we are enclosing. Then we also run another line by joining this kind of. They are called a main station, right? So in the big main traverse line, this is called main survey lines. They are called main survey lines. Okay, these stations are called main stations. You can even I can have intermediate station here. I can join here. I can have intermediate station here, and I can join like this. Okay, they are called tie lines. Okay, and moreover, the longest chain line in a traverse is called a base line. Maybe BD you can call it as base line. Okay, the longest chain line in a traversing or in a triangulation is called a base line. And then you have tie line. For checking purpose, we check line. Checking purpose, we sometimes we run survey line. They are called check line, tie line. These are the terminologies. Okay. So likewise, we have, see here, see I have a main station. They are called main stations. This is a big traverse, the area to be surveyed. Okay. First I run a traverse like this. And then this is the base line I am running here. the biggest survey line, and then I am choosing some points. I am connecting to this joint, this station. So this may be a auxiliary station, okay, minor station. These are major stations, maybe minor stations, okay. So sometimes to verify the accuracy of your survey work, what we do, we are after taking survey, we are plotting. No, during surveying itself, some check line will be run. Suppose from here to here, they choose some point, this much meter. From here, and some this kind of dotted line, they're called check line. Yeah. Am I audible to all of you? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, it's okay. Let's see. We have the important unaudible phone. That's why I attended it. It's okay. Please listen. This way, we are doing it, right? I will tell you what is that. We have major stations and this kind of minor station in a traverse, in a triangulation. You can say traverse or triangulation. This is called traverse. Okay. This framework is called traverse. If you intermediate joints wherever required, you choose. If you join, if you get a framework like this, they are called a triangulation because there are series of connected triangles. No, that's a triangulation. And we also run this kind of check lines. Okay, so these are the terminologies. The longest survey line is called base line, and then tie line. Sometimes this kind of lines are called tie lines. This is called check lines. Okay. The accuracy of the work carried out can be verified. If after plotting it, you have to measure graphically the distance between these two stations in the plot, and if that tally with the measurement in the field, you can understand there is no error involved. The plotting is right. That purpose we run extra lines. That is called check lines. Okay, you will understand. Let you study it. You will understand that. That's what check lines. Here the word is there. Check lines. This kind of check lines we do in order to ascertain the accuracy of the survey work carried out. Suppose by mistake, because you are in the field, hot sun, okay, if any mistake is done, you are coming to, you are recording all your survey readings in your notebook, okay, field book, called a field book. That time, next time I'm going to show you the field book to you. The field book you have recorded. You are coming to office and plotting it, okay. If you want to ascertain whether you are whether you have done any mistake in your measurement or in your recording the readings, that kind of thing can be verified by check line like this. Purposefully run it, we are measuring plan and then checking it with the check line length measured in the field. And if it tallies, okay, work is accurate. If you don't tally, there is some problem is there. I have done some mistake. You have to go and recheck in the field. Okay, that is the purpose we run this kind of check line or proof line. If you read these paragraphs, you will understand whatever I have told you. Please, just now I told you what is tie lines. Okay, tie lines also like this. This kind of auxiliary lines are called tie lines. Okay, so that you read it later. It's tying, no, just framework. That's what tie lines. Okay, so check lines, tie lines, you will understand. Please. I want to tell you one thing. When you study this kind of subjects, you read it out of your self-interest, understand, and then what to do? During examination, if you want to discuss anything in this regard, you have to give much importance for the sketches. Wherever graphical representations are there, sketches are there, give importance for it, not for text. Because while evaluating your paper, nobody will look for the text what you have written. Nobody have the time to read line by line what you have written. People will just have a look at the sketches drawn. Immediately they will give marks. Okay, the student know aware of it. They will not go through what you have written. Okay, this text and all you read it and understand, and wherever possible during your presentation you have to give much importance for the sketches, the diagrams, wherever necessary. You need not spend much time. Just roughly you can draw more than sufficient. This kind of sketches and all you can just if you write this is a tie line, this is check line, this is a tie line, something if you draw right, sufficient, more than sufficient, right? So please read them. This is the triangulation. Okay, this is the area to be surveyed. See here, I have an area to be surveyed. I have some features, ground features. Say here there is a pond. Okay, here we have a building. Another building is there. Here another building is there. There are some temple, maybe some temple, some church. Okay, church, temple, and so many things are there. There is a river, road. There is a road going, or river, maybe river or road, something is there. These are the ground features. Okay, you want to prepare a plan or map of this area. For that, what to do? What you are doing? You are choosing the main survey station A, okay, B, and then C, D. Like that, you are running along the boundary of the area to be surveyed, land boundary. Along the boundary of the area to be surveyed, you are running a traverse line, and then you are choosing a base line. This is called base line, lengthy survey line. You are joining these two stations, and that is called baseline in this survey. And then you want to check line also. You are running this one, you are measuring it and keeping it with you. After plotting, if this tally, okay, your plotting is accurate. For that purpose, check line also you are running. It looks more than the baseline. It's a normal check line will be something like this, from here to here or here to here, simple. Okay, and then a tie line. See, I am also choosing a minus station here. Minus station here. I am running it. A line called a tie line. Okay, from this also I can take readings to the features. So what we will do, suppose this is this is the main survey line. From this doing measurement to this feature will be far away, because this building is here. Why I should take measurement to its feature point, salient points from here? That's why I'm running another auxiliary line called a tie line here. Okay, so from this I can take readings to the building. What is my reading? For example, I will tell you. Here I have another building. That is why I am choosing like that. What I will do, from here I will move. Okay, in the field. From here, suppose 0 meter, it starts here. I am going here, say 10.48 meter, 10.82 meters or something. From this I can take a offset. Okay, perpendicular offset reading to this boundary, this corner of this building, and then I will move further in this. So I am getting, say, 18.3 meter here. I will note down 18.3 meter. I am taking a perpendicular offset to this corner of the building. Say I am getting 2.3 meter. I will note down. Okay. Later I can come to office and I can plot it. Okay. After preparing this plan work, I can do, keeping the reading. I will plot, locate the point, position of the points on the sheet. Okay, the corner. By joining them, I will be getting the boundary of this building.
Hello, sir.
Plan will be prepared. Okay, so this way the plan will be prepared. Okay, hope you all will understand. You will follow it. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, Agit Singh. Anything, ma? Angit Singh. Any
Sir,
problem?
sir,
Am I audible to you?
yes, sir. Sir, I can't see the PPT.
You can't see the PPT? No. It is. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not. I have to share it again. You only telling. Why others are keeping quiet? Again, you have to present it, I think, because it was disconnected. Very good. Agit Singh. Again, I will do sharing. You should have told me. Yeah, now only you are telling, Agit Singh. Actually, in between we stopped. No, that's why. Is it visible to you now? Yeah, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now it is visible. Yeah, please see here. It got disconnected. I received a phone call. No, so it got disconnected. That's why again it is required to share. I have to share again and again. Suppose somebody share your screen, my screen will go, your screen will come. In that case, again, you have to ask me to share it, okay? Because in Google Meeting, by mistakenly, suppose somebody, any one of you shared your screen, my screen will go, right? That also mistake will happen. Otherwise, just now I received a call, important call. That's why the network was disconnected. Again, I am thinking that because my screen is visible to me. If you want to see the whatever I have in my desktop, that monitor laptop, you have to ask me to share, okay? Now I have shared it because he only pointed out. Argit Singh. Thank you, Argit Singh. Okay, now I will explain once again. What about this? This and all you have seen? No, just I explained, right? So this is the one I shown first. Whether most of you have seen it or not, first I explained this check lines, tie lines and all by showing this. Okay, just before that, and then I have come to this page. Okay, I was explaining this. This is the area to be surveyed. We have features. We have a pond and a building. Okay, another building, maybe some temple, church, or something is there. Okay, some features are there. There is a road going. Okay, I want to prepare plan or map of this area. For that, what I am doing, I am running a traverse survey line. This is traverse. These are the major station I am choosing. Okay, A, B, C, D, like that I am choosing. I am joining them. Right, I am going to run a main survey line here. This is traverse line, and then I am joining. Okay, like this. This is the longest survey line is called baseline, and also I have a check line like this. Now, in general, this check line will not be this much big, but it is shown here. Normally, check line will be somewhere okay, and then I choose some another minor station here, auxiliary station here, and I am joining it. This is called tie line. Okay, so because this features is far away from my main survey line. Okay, this feature also far away from my main survey line. So by keeping in view these two features, these two buildings, I want to plot the prepare plan of this building. I'm running very closer to it another line, which is called a tie line. Okay, I'm running right in my main traverse line, main survey line. I'm running secondary survey line, that is called tie line here. Okay, from this it is easy for me to take offsets to this building. Okay, how we prepare a plan or map of this area? We will be running the survey line. Suppose this is A, C. This is A. I will be starting my survey line from A. I'll be chaining. I'll be going. Say this is at 44.3 meter. 44.3 meter. I have this feature. I will draw in field book. I will note down 40.3 meter along chain line AB. Okay. Towards right, I am taking the perpendicular offset using cross staff. I will take perpendicular measurement here, either using tape or chain again, or tape more than sufficient. Suppose this is, say, it is 2.3 meter away, 2.3 meter, I will note down. This way I will come to my room, I will take a sheet, I will put the A, the direction of AB is known to me, okay. I will run this main survey line. From here I will go that distance, 43.4 something, I told you, no, that much, and then here 2 point something, that much. So this way I will get the location of this point on my plan or map. Okay, that is the idea. Again, I have a tie line here in order to plot feature of these two buildings, the plan of these two buildings. For that, what I will do, I will start my after. Okay, likewise I will go everywhere. Okay, during my survey, I will tell one such scene. I am running a survey from here along the tie line. Okay, from here I am measuring. Say this is at 34.2 meter. 34.2 meter, this corner of the building is there. From here I can take offset, perpendicular offset, or I can choose 2 point on my survey line. I can measure the distance to this corner. That way also I can locate. Okay, I can locate the position of this corner of the building by choosing 2 point on the main survey on this survey line, and then measuring this distance. That way I can do it. Otherwise, I can take a perpendicular offset from here. Okay, using cross staff, I can get to perpendicular. This is called offset, perpendicular offset. That I will measure. Say it is comes around say 2.4 meter. I will note down. Okay, so that way I can get the corner of this one, and also I will go further along this. Say at 33 here only I hold 33. No, say at 44.2 meter. This is there. I will measure this offset here. Okay, this offset here. This way we will be doing measurement in the survey. Okay, from the survey line we will be measuring offset to the features, and then we can come to office and plot it. Okay, I hope you will understand. Suppose I have this baseline here. From this, I will take several perpendicular offsets to the boundary of this pond, and this way I will get the boundary line of the pond, and I can plot it in my planar map of the area. Okay, see, in the recent, so many advancement have come. We have topographical, even so many things are there. But earlier, okay, long back, well before the advancement of this information technology and other thing, electronic devices, this is the procedure followed. Okay, still this is the procedure followed in official engineering point of view. This way we are going to carry out survey by triangulation. This is called triangulation, traverse, run traverse and triangulation. Okay, we are measuring how to record the field. I will tell you, right? So please later you go through, you will understand arrangement of survey lines. This is not important, I will leave it. It's not important, I will leave it. Okay, this also a condition to be okay, not important. Not important because I recorded. Yeah, I will come to this. Yeah, this way I told you just now. Suppose you have a building. Okay, if you want to take its corner, right, from the survey line, we are running perpendicular line offset. We have a device like cross-staff. Using it, you can run a perpendicular line from your survey line, okay, and measure this distance to this corner, this distance to the corner. Sometimes along the building, along the building, extending the line, you can note down this length also. You can note down this length also, which is called check line. Okay, this is called check line. Later, you can come to your office, you can plot it, and then this check line also you can verify whether it tally with the distance measured in the field. This way you can ascertain you have located this building boundary properly on a map, right? Another way is in your survey line choosing 2 points. Okay, 2 points. So along the survey line, this is say 40.2 meter. This is say 60.7 meter. Okay, you take you measure this distance. Okay, and then you, in your plan map, you can draw an arc here. Okay, when you prepare map, you will be running the survey, drawing the survey line to some scale, 1:100 scale. Okay, or 1:200 scale, something you will be plotting. So then you can, by arcing this one, you will be getting this point in the during the preparation of your planar map of the area, right? The field measurement you should do like this. This is called perpendicular offset. Okay, perpendicular to that feature point. This is oblique offset. Okay, oblique offset like this. This is oblique distance, two distance. From 2 points we are measuring the length, and then we are coming to field, and also we run out a check line here also here. This is the dotted line is called check line to understand the accuracy of the work. Okay, anything can be done that way. You even see you have a river like this. Yeah, you have a road or river, something like this. Okay, say a road is there. This is the survey line. This is survey line. From the survey line, you have to take perpendicular offset to the boundary of the road. Outside boundary you want. Understood? Okay, you are measuring the perpendicular offset. Later you come to field and draw that offset from your survey line and plot it and join them. You will be getting the road in your map or plan, right? Now suppose you have a irregular boundary like this. Okay, irregular boundary somewhere. This is your survey line. From this you have to take offsets. Okay, this way perpendicular offsets to them. You can come to office and plot it in the preparation of planar map of the area. Things are simple. Concept is simple. It's a lame. It's a very illiterate people level of understanding. Okay, hope you will understand. Even village simple fellows will be doing surveying and all. Okay, the village admin, VAO and the other person assisting him will be doing simple land survey and all. You might have seen the revenue department doing it. Okay, I hope you will understand this. You are engineers, you should do even better level of understanding. Not necessary, this is not necessary. Okay, because in the textbook I have scanned everything. I have scanned all the pages. Suppose you have a boundary like this, maybe a river boundary or road boundary. You have to run your survey line. This is the main survey line. From this, you have to run this kind of auxiliary lines. Okay, offsets to the boundary, perpendicular offsets to the boundaries. Okay, this way you can come to office, and also you can take down your check line like this somewhere. This is called check line. Okay, you can come to office. Your survey line will be plotted to some scale. From this, you have to draw these lines, this survey line in your map. From this, already you measured these offsets to this, which is there recorded in the field book. Okay, from that you can plot it, right? So limiting length of offsets, right? See here, 1 minute. Just I am rushing. We're not, everything is not important. This is not important. I am just skipping. Not important. I am skipping them. I am skipping them. Right? I am skipping them. Oh, right. This is not important. I am just skipping. Right? I am coming to the important thing. Field book. Right? I am coming to important thing. Field book. How to? I told you survey to be carried out. Triangulation. Okay. You have to run a traverse line. You have to do traversing. That's called traversing. Triangulation. You have to do it in the field by doing chain surveying. Okay, and you have to do measurement like that. I told you how to record them. So we have a prescribed book called field book. Okay, so how it looks? Just I will show you. Actually, it's a single line book, double line book. The double line book is usually used one. Okay, so that's why I will first tell you double line booking. Double line booking means in the field book like this, 2 lines will be there. Okay, you have to put your chain line like this, triangle like this with a dot. Okay, so A, this is A station. Okay, here B station, right? B station. So it is B station. So now from here, what I am doing, this is another survey line, right? GA. This go to AG. This goes to AD. Some other line. Okay. Now line A, DA, line GA, something is there. Very good. Now we have a building boundary here, right? I want to do the preparation. How we will note down? You are going along the chain line. Okay, along the main chain line you are going. Here at 15.3 meter, you have to note down between these 2 lines. 15.3 means it is along the chain line. From A, it is 15.3. Then you are taking a perpendicular offset here, 2 meter. So you are noting down 2 here. Just roughly you will draw the building like this. Roughly you can draw the building like this, and you are write 2. And then you are going further, 25.4 meter. Okay, if you write 25.4 meter, from A it is 25.4 meter. From your chain line, you are taking measurement. Okay, perpendicular offset measurement in the field. You are getting to 3.25 meter. You are noting down 3.25 meter. There is a offset in the building that you can note down directly. You need not take any measurement from the main survey line. Here itself you can measure using your tape. This is 4 meter. So note it down, right? Again you are going further. At 36 meter, this is the corner of the building is, you are taking perpendicular offset, 7.62 meter. Note down 7.62 meter. This way you have to go along your chain line wherever there are salient points, feature points. Okay, you have to note down, you take offsets to them. Here only, in general, normally we do perpendicular offset. That is easiest. Okay, and we are noting down. So this way, the field work is recorded. Just see, field work is recorded. Later you have a look, and you can draw in your own during exam. Suppose you want to discuss anything about field book. Okay, how to do recording, reading. Okay, how to record readings in field book. Anything else you can write in your own. Just have a look later. There is a river or road boundary. For them, the offsets are given. Okay, the offsets from 130 meter length, 10.2, 135 meter, 6. This is the meaning of it. Wherever you can draw roughly the sketches also. Roughly you can draw the sketches and note down the perpendicular offsets value here, and the main survey line length also here can be noted down. This is the usually most widely used field book, double line book. Earlier there was a single line book also. Even if it is single line book, it should be done this way. Okay, it should be done this way. 10 meter. Okay, 20.3 meter, 10.1 meter, 17.9 meter, 20.2 meter. This is the offset values we are noting down. See, just to have a look, you will understand. Okay, just to have a look, you understand. This way, it should be recorded, right? So please, leisurely go through later. Leisurely, I will send the notes. You go through leisurely later. For that, much teaching is not required. Field work not necessary. These things are not necessary. Okay, I will do one thing. just instrument setting, not necessarily class staff, not important. This is not important. This not important. You can skip them, okay? Because I while scanning, I scanned everything. The entire chapter I have scanned it. They are not important for you, okay? Not important. So then what is important, sir? I will come to that. Okay, I will come to that. Okay, one minute. Just yeah, where is that? No, basic problems in chaining. That also you can go through. Basic problems in chaining. Okay, I will tell you later. But a very important one is when compared to that, right? In this chapter is obstacles in chaining. Okay, it is there. Yeah, it's here. Where is that? Obstacles in chaining. This chapter is very important. Yeah, it's here. Somewhere here. Yeah, obstacles to ranging, but obstacles in chaining. Obstacles in chaining is important. When you do chaining, if you come across, encounter any obstacles, how to overcome? Further, there are various interesting methods, very simple elementary level methods. Okay, that I will discuss in the next class, right? Because I have got some work. I will stop it here. I will first stop recording. I thought of taking full class today, but no problem. Half an hour more than sufficient. 1 minute. Just I will first stop recording, then I will discuss. Yeah, I will discuss now itself. Even I would like to record it. Please, all of you listen, my dear students. Actually, I already expressed my unhappiness of teaching because it is not that anybody can go and teach surveying, right? See, we are specialized in structural engineering. I told you this kind of surveying subjects are to be handled by faculty member who is specialized in geotechnical engineering or transportation engineering, especially geotechnical engineering teacher is supposed to handle everywhere in India. Most of the reputed institution you take, the geotechnical engineering teacher handle it. Moreover, the certain subjects are to be given to a specialist, experts, a teacher who handles the subject long period, continuously 20 years, 25 years. He only knows what is important, which topic emphasis is to be given, because he is well versed in it, because several years he has handled it. Okay, he knows which question will be asked in GATE examination, which question was asked for the past 10 years, from which chapter, what kind of question asked in the GATE question paper, in the IES question papers, in civil services question paper, and even in the board exam, your own university exam, your own college exam, end semester exam. First 10 years, which questions was asked in which chapter. In textbooks, there are so many things. Just now I've shown you. I told you this is not important, that is not important. This I told you based on my experience, not based on my expertise. Please keep it in mind. I'm not an expert in surveying. Just I have been asked to handle surveying after a long gap. Just I'm handling it. But I am not an expert. But the subject is supposed to be given to a teacher who is well versed in it, expert in it. He only can guide you properly. He only can give you emphasis for the important topics and teach you properly, because he knows in the end semester exam what was the question, from which problem was asked, which question was asked. All such experience he will be having, and he will also be having awareness of what question was asked in GATE examination for the past 10 years, which question was chapter is important, what kind of question was there, which type of problem was asked in the IES exam, engineering civil services exam. All such expertise that teacher will be possessing, who is handling surveying for the past several years. Okay, such a teacher can give you proper guiding and feeding for you. Okay, but why our people are not at all realizing, I don't know. You take many reputed institutes, faculty members are specialists in certain topics. They will be handling only that subject. They will be taking 3-4 subjects, and they will be teaching for the entire service that subject only, and they will be expert in it. Okay, so that they can guide the student properly. If the subjects are handled by such a teacher, definitely many students will get through GATE exam, IES exam. But I have seen, a reputed institution like IIT, NITs, Anna University, such a policy is being followed, right? But I don't have any word. But however, I have some experience, out of my experience, I am guiding you, which is important. For example, just now I told you in this chain surveying, obstacles in chaining is very important, because I know. Okay, I will stop recording. Then I will discuss with you further. Yeah. Meanwhile, I want to record your name for attendance. No. Yeah. Yeah. Meanwhile, I want to record your name for attendance purpose. Okay. Let it be recorded. Let it be recorded for attendance purpose. Right. So very good. Nearly 28 of you are attending. Nice. Very good. So nice to see your attendance. Right. Nice to see your attendance. Right. So I have recorded your name well, right? Please, I will first stop recording. Then I will discuss with you any